All right, this is Ubaid on behalf of Electronics, and in this video, we'll be talking about perfect elastic curve, okay, perfect inelastic curve, as well as unit elastic curve. Now, when it comes to your perfect elastic curve, okay, we are technically talking about an infinitely elastic curve. Okay, this is infinitely elastic curve, and this has to do with horizontal line. Okay, so say for example, this is your price and this is your quantity, either demanded or supply. So in this case, okay, the price does not change at all. Okay, let's say your price is 7 units. The price stays at 7 units, but the quantity demanded keeps on changing. Okay, so quantity, let's say this is 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, so on and so forth. Okay, now this could be an item where okay the demand changes because of population, because of immigration, so on and so forth. Okay, however, the price does not change whatsoever. The price stays the same. All right, so this is your perfectly, or infinitely elastic curve. So this is infinitely elastic curve. All right, the next one is your perfectly inelastic curve. Now, when it comes to your perfectly inelastic curve, okay, what's going to end up happening is this will be a vertical line, okay? As price changes, quantity demanded or supplied does not change, okay, which means the quantity stays at 3 units, for example, but the price keeps on changing from 7 to 6 to 5 to 4 to 3, so on and so forth. Okay, and this would be um, somewhat of a necessity, such as housing or electricity, for example. Okay, so housing or utility where the demand does not change as much, okay, compared to the price. The price may keep on changing, but because people need a place to live and people need electricity, for example, the demand does not change. Okay, now it may not be true in certain areas or locations. It may not be true in certain countries. However, it may be true in other countries. And the unitary elastic for both demand and curve, well, demand and supply curve will be different. Okay, so unitary elastic, if you're looking at a demand curve, okay, your demand curve will be more of a curved line, okay, where the okay, price elasticity will be the same between any 2 points on the curve. Okay, so if the price elasticity, for example, is 1, it will stay as 1 between any 2 points. All right, now apart from your price elasticity, okay, for demand, okay, for your demand curve, okay, you also have your price elasticity, okay, for your supply curve. Okay, so the price elasticity for supply curve will be unitary elastic, and this will be a straight line. Okay, which basically means that for okay every change um, in price, every unit change in price, there will be 1 unit change, okay, in quantity supplied. Okay, so this is every unit change in price, 1 unit change in quantity supplied. Okay, for every unit change in price, This is 1 unit change in quantity supplied, 1 unit change in quantity supplied in quantity US. All right. So that would be it when it comes to perfectly elastic, perfectly inelastic, and unitary elastic curves. On behalf of electronics, this is Obey. Have yourself a great day.